Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics, the winter season. Let me ask you something. When the weather gets cold, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Hot chocolate? Cozy blankets? Maybe Christmas lights or that first morning you see your breath in the air? Winter is such a special season. It changes how we live, how we dress, what we eat, and even how we feel. And that makes it a perfect topic to practice English conversation. In this video, you'll learn how to talk about the winter season naturally in English, what to say about the weather, activities, holidays, clothes, and feelings. We'll go through useful vocabulary, real-life phrases, and a few example conversations between Ava and Emma to help you sound confident and fluent. So, get comfortable, maybe grab a cup of something warm, and let's dive into this lesson, how to talk about winter season in English. Section 1. Why talk about seasons in English? Before we start, let's understand why talking about seasons is important in English conversations. Native speakers often use small talk to connect, and weather and seasons are some of the most common small talk topics. When you can talk about seasons naturally, you can join conversations, make new friends, and keep a chat going smoothly. For example, if you say, "It's getting really cold these days," or "I love winter mornings. They're so peaceful." You open the door for a friendly, natural conversation. So, learning how to talk about winter isn't just about vocabulary, it's about communication. Let's start with the basics. Section 2. Basic vocabulary about winter. Let's go through some common words you can use when talking about winter. Cold, the basic word for winter weather. Example, "It's really cold today." Freezing, very cold. Example, "It's freezing outside." Snow, frozen water falling from the sky. Example, "It's snowing." Frost, thin ice that forms on surfaces. Example, "There's frost on the windows." Ice, solid frozen water. Example, "Be careful, the road is icy." Chilly, a little cold. Example, "It's a bit chilly this morning." Breeze, light wind. Example, "There's a cold breeze today." Fog, thick mist that makes it hard to see. Example, "The fog is really heavy." Blanket, what we use to keep warm. Example, "I love sleeping under a warm blanket." These are simple words, but using them correctly helps your English sound more natural and descriptive. Section 3. Common winter phrases and expressions. Here are some natural expressions native speakers use when talking about winter. "It's freezing outside." "I can't feel my fingers." "I need a cup of something warm." "Winter is coming." "I love staying cozy indoors." "The mornings are so foggy." "I hate waking up early in winter." "The days are getting shorter." "The nights are really long." Example, Ava, "It's freezing today." Emma, "I know. I had to wear 3 layers just to walk to the store." These short phrases help you describe winter naturally. Section 4. Talking about the weather in winter. Talking about the weather is one of the easiest ways to start a conversation. Here are some examples. "It's snowing heavily today." "I love how quiet everything feels when it snows." "The temperature dropped below 0 last night." "There's frost on the windows this morning." "I had to scrape ice off my car before leaving." And here's how Ava and Emma might use these phrases in a conversation. Ava, "Did you see the weather this morning? It's snowing again." Emma, "Yes. Everything looks so white and peaceful." Ava, "It's beautiful, but it's freezing. I could barely feel my hands." Emma, "Same here. I had to wear gloves and a scarf just to walk to the shop." Section 5. Describing what you wear in winter. Winter is all about layers. Let's learn how to talk about winter clothes. Common winter clothing vocabulary: sweater, jacket,
coat,
scarf, gloves/mittens,
boots, socks,
beanie/hat, hoodie. Here are some examples. I'm wearing my thick winter coat today. Don't forget your scarf, it's cold outside. I bought a new pair of boots for winter. I love wearing oversized sweaters. Example conversation: Ava, you look so warm and cozy today. Emma, thanks. I'm wearing my new wool sweater. It's perfect for this weather. Ava, it looks really soft. I need to buy one like that. Emma, you should. They're great for layering. Section 6. Winter activities and fun. Now, let's talk about what people do in winter. Even though it's cold, there are so many fun activities. Common winter activities: drinking hot chocolate, watching movies at home,
going skiing or snowboarding,
building a snowman, ice skating, visiting family, baking cookies, staying in with a blanket and reading. Examples: I love staying in and watching movies during winter weekends. We built a snowman with the kids yesterday. I went ice skating for the first time. I love baking cookies when it's cold outside. Conversation example: Ava, what do you usually do during winter weekends? Emma, I usually stay home, drink hot chocolate, and watch movies. Ava, that sounds so nice. I love reading under a warm blanket. Emma, winter is the perfect time for that. Section 7. Talking about food and drinks in winter. Winter changes what we eat and drink too. People often enjoy warm, comforting foods. Common winter foods and drinks:
soup,
hot chocolate, tea or coffee, warm bread or pastries,
stew,
porridge, roasted vegetables. You can say things like, nothing beats a hot cup of tea on a cold day. I love making soup when it's cold. I've been drinking so much hot chocolate lately. I like spicy food during winter. It keeps me warm. Example dialogue: Ava, what's your favorite winter drink? Emma, definitely hot chocolate. I love it with marshmallows. Ava, that sounds delicious. I prefer tea, especially green tea. Emma, tea is perfect too. It just warms you up instantly. Section 8. Holidays and celebrations in winter. For many people, winter also means holiday season. Depending on where you live, this could include Christmas, New Year, or other celebrations. Here are some ways to talk about it. I love the holiday lights during winter. We usually decorate the house and have a family dinner. I spend Christmas with my family every year. New Year's Eve is my favorite part of winter. I love giving and receiving gifts. Example conversation: Ava, do you celebrate Christmas, Emma? Emma, yes, every year. My family gets together. We decorate the tree and have a big dinner. Ava, that sounds lovely. I love seeing all the lights and decorations. Emma, me too. It makes winter feel magical. Section 9. Describing how winter makes you feel. Winter feels different for everyone. Some people love it, others find it gloomy or too cold. Here are some ways to express your feelings about winter. I love winter. It feels so peaceful. Winter makes me feel cozy and calm. I enjoy the cold air. It's refreshing. I don't really like winter. It's too dark and cold. I miss the sunshine in winter. Example dialogue: Ava, do you like winter? Emma, I do, but only for a few weeks. After that, I start missing the sun. Ava, same here. The short days make me sleepy. Emma, yes, but I love how cozy everything feels. Ava, that's true. Nothing beats staying warm inside when it's cold outside. Section 10. Talking about daily routine in winter. Let's practice describing what your day looks like in winter. Useful verbs and phrases. Wake up late. Have hot tea or coffee. Wear warm clothes. Go to work or school. Come home early. Watch TV or read a book. Sleep early. Example. In winter, I usually wake up a little later because it's so cold. I start my day with a cup of hot tea. I wear a sweater and a warm jacket before going out. When I come home, I like to relax, maybe watch a movie or read a book. Now, a short dialogue. Ava, how does your daily routine change in winter? Emma, I wake up later because it's hard to get out of bed when it's cold. Ava, I know. I always hit the snooze button at least twice. Emma, and I drink tea all day to stay warm. Ava, same here. Winter mornings are the hardest, but evenings are so relaxing. Section 11. Comparing winter with other seasons. It's also natural to compare winter with other seasons. You can say, I like winter more than summer. Spring is my favorite season, but I enjoy winter too. I can't stand the heat, so I prefer winter. Winter is nice, but I miss the flowers of spring. Example. Ava, what's your favorite season, Emma? Emma, I think spring, but winter is a close second. Ava, really? I like winter more than summer. I can't stand hot weather. Emma, same here. At least in winter, you can wear cozy clothes. Ava, exactly. And drink as much hot chocolate as you want. Section 12. Winter conversation practice. Let's go through a full example conversation using everything we've learned. Ava, hey Emma, how's your week going? Emma, pretty good, just trying to stay warm. It's so cold lately. Ava, I know. I had to wear my thick coat this morning. Emma, me too. I actually like winter though. It feels peaceful. Ava, yeah, I love staying home with a blanket and watching movies. Emma, same. I made some hot chocolate last night and it was perfect. Ava, that sounds amazing. I love making soup when it's cold. Emma, oh, soup is the best comfort food, especially tomato or chicken soup. Ava, yes. Do you like snow? Emma, I love watching it, but I don't like walking in it. It's too slippery. Ava, I get that. But snow makes everything look so beautiful. Emma, true. It makes me feel like a kid again. Ava, same here. I love taking pictures when it snows. Emma, that's such a nice idea. Maybe we should go for a walk after the next snowfall. Ava, yes. And we can get some hot coffee afterward. Emma, perfect plan. Section 13. Advanced expressions about winter. To sound even more fluent, try using a few of these advanced expressions. The city looks like a winter wonderland. I'm all bundled up, meaning you're wearing many layers of clothing. The wind is biting today. Very cold wind. I love the crisp winter air. It's too cold to step outside. I'm craving something warm. I caught a cold because of the weather. Examples. I'm all bundled up because it's freezing outside. The park looks like a winter wonderland after the snow. The wind is biting today. I can't feel my ears. Section 14. Mini practice session. Let's do some practice. Try answering these questions out loud. What do you like about winter? What kind of clothes do you wear in winter? What's your favorite winter food or drink? How do you usually spend your weekends in winter? Do you prefer winter or summer?
Why?
Example answers. I like winter because everything feels calm and quiet. I usually wear sweaters, boots, and a warm coat. My favorite winter drink is hot chocolate. I like staying home, watching movies, and drinking tea. I prefer winter because I love cold weather. Practicing these aloud will help you sound more confident. Section 15. Cultural notes. Winter can look very different around the world. In some countries, it's snowy and cold. In others, it's just a little cool. So if you're learning English, you can also say things like, winter in my country is not too cold. We don't get snow where I live. Winter here is mild but windy. In my city, winter means lots of rain. Example. Ava, do you get snow where you live? Emma, no, not really. It just gets cold and rainy. Ava, that sounds nice. I like rain in winter. Emma, me too. It makes everything feel cozy. Section 16. Summary and final thoughts. We've covered a lot today. Let's quickly review what we learned. Vocabulary for winter. Words like freezing, frost, chilly, and snow. How to describe weather, clothes, and activities. Useful phrases and natural expressions. Conversations about winter feelings and routines. How to compare winter with other seasons. By practicing these phrases and dialogues, you'll be able to talk naturally about winter in English, whether you're chatting with friends, co-workers, or classmates. Conclusion. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about the winter season in English. Remember, the best way to improve your speaking is by practicing real topics from daily life. So, after watching this video, try talking about winter with a friend or even practice by yourself. Describe the weather, what you wear, what you like to eat, and how you spend your time. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Alex, English Learning Routine for more simple and practical English lessons. Now tell me in the comments, what do you like most about winter? Thank you for watching, stay warm, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.